Alright folks, welcome to AndyAshen.tv. Just let me give you a little inspirational tip here. The secret to success is to be ready for opportunity when it comes. I've shown you exactly what's in the trunk of my car. I've laid out the yoga mat. I've got the medicine ball right here. I've got 5 minutes spare. Let's knock it out. We're just going to take the ball, it's 12 pounds. The knees are bent, the feet are flat. You come up and you pop. That's how you do it. 4 rounds of those. Perfect for the abs. Thank you for joining me.